Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to make a video on Stacks, STX coin, the layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. You know, I've been in this ecosystem for a while. I'm bullish, and the other day I made a tweet and I said, you know what? Maybe I should make a video about it. So I'm going to make a video about Stacks today. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, first things first, over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333 Black Sea. I said I had a lot of fun trading Stacks memes. Still have moonbags of Welsh and some others. I do have some others, some dust, if you will. I took profit along the way. Meme coins, you got to be doing that, guys. You need to be taking profit along the way. Otherwise, you're going to be caught holding the bag, and that bag might not ever rally again. You need to be careful with these meme coins, especially the small market cap meme coins. Say, looking forward to entering that ecosystem again. And, you know, I made this tweet yesterday, and I said, you know what? I'll make a video about this because I like Stacks a lot. I have a lot of Stacks. Stacks is a very large position that I have. I have over 10,000 plus Stacks right now. You know, I'm accumulating it. I'm buying underneath $1.50 because I am bullish on Stacks. So let's take a look over at Sat Screener. This is the main place I would go to purchase the meme coins and look at different meme coins. And man, oh man, guys, some of these memes are absolutely demolished. I was looking at Pepe, and I had a lot of fun with Pepe on Stacks. And right now, what is this? The market cap, fully diluted value is underneath $1 million. Yeah, pretty crazy. Pretty crazy seeing some of these. I think when I was buying this and trading this, it was over 10 million, maybe something like that. It's pretty crazy. But just looking back on these memes, and sure, there's some opportunities out there. Would I recommend buying them right now? I would never recommend buying a meme coin underneath $1 million unless there was some really, really valuable fundamentals or utility behind it. And usually meme coins don't have utility. But it's just fascinating to go through some of these Stacks meme coins, really look at what's going on here. I am going to be playing in this ecosystem once we get a rally back into the market, once Bitcoin decides to finally break out of this 7-month-long consolidation period. After that does happen, I will be very, very looking forward to trading in these meme coin and the Stacks meme coins because, guys, I made a bunch of money. I made a bunch of money trading these Stacks memes, and I think it's going to play out again as long as we see Bitcoin make that big move to the upside. I do want to say that Stacks, there's a lot of things happening. If you want to check them out, check out their Twitter page at Stacks. It's literally just at Stacks. You can see, you know, they've got their big Nakamoto upgrade coming, which is going to basically turn a 20 to 30 minute transaction into a 4-second transaction. That's the verbiage I'm hearing, and it does come out this month. It's pretty exciting. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I just wanted to let you guys know, I mean, I'm biased. I'm an investor of Stacks. I like Stacks a lot, and I think that it's going to do very, very, very well. It's you know, they all say, like, when you scroll down, like, all roads lead back to Bitcoin. It's kind of true. It's kind of true. You know, the other day also I put a tweet out about how you got to really get beaten up in the trenches with the altcoins and the meme coins before you can really be allowed to become a Bitcoin maximalist. And it's just funny how that is. It's just funny how that is. You need to really risk it all on the higher risk plays before you can say, you know what, I'm fine just buying Bitcoin. But really what Stacks does, it's a layer 2 solution for Bitcoin, so you can have smart contracts literally built straight on Bitcoin. Pretty awesome to see that. You know, I want to go back and look at Welsh because that's the one coin I mentioned in that tweet, and right now sitting at 16 million market cap. It's not bad. It's not bad. I have Welsh is probably my biggest meme coin holding on the Stacks ecosystem right now by far. It wasn't something that I really wanted to just play hot potato with. I wanted to accumulate some. And, you know, CryptoKip is a huge bull on Welsh, and I trust his opinion. I like it. And I'm buying some Welsh. I have some. I'm not sure how much I have. I should figure that out. But I like Welsh. I like Welsh a lot. But I do want to show you guys. So this is Muneeb. He is the co-founder of Stacks, and he says on the 28th of August, the final code for Nakamoto will be shipped to network operators, and the activation window will open. So very exciting stuff, guys, because a lot of complaints I see, well, guys, anytime you're trading on Bitcoin, you know it's not like trading on Solana. It's very slow. There's a long settlement of funds period, and it takes time for transactions to go. But with stacks, it's like a 20 to 30 minute transaction. It's just the same as Bitcoin. It's very, very slow. But this Nakamoto upgrade will bring this down very, very fast. It's up to 4 seconds. That sounds pretty crazy. I'll see. I'll believe it when I see it. But I do think that it will cut the amount of time it takes to trade, because it can be pretty frustrating when you're trying to trade some of these illiquid meme coins, and you're like, all right, I want to get in. You click buy, and then you go, okay, I got to speed up the transaction. You pay fees, got to speed up transaction again. You do that like 2 or 3 times, and then and we are talking about liquid meme coins, but after you do that, and then it takes 20 to 30 minutes before you realize, oh, did it go through or not? You know, it's frustrating. You can't really be having that when it comes to blockchains, especially trading in liquid meme coins. And yes, I know crypto is not all about the meme coin casino, but a lot of people want to use crypto for that, so you need to be able to have that. It needs to be accessible. But pretty cool to see this coming out on August 28th. That's only 10 days away, guys. Pretty exciting. So I do want to take a quick overview of the overall market right now. Bitcoin is trading at $59,941, just barely below 60,000. Really want to see us trade above 60K. Really want to see that happen. Bitcoin dominance probably topped out 56.03%, basically 58% when you exclude stablecoins. If you want to see stacks perform well, you want to see these altcoins perform well, we got to see Bitcoin play nicely. And I do think that Bitcoin dominance is topped out. So as we make our way to the downside, expect stacks to perform well versus Bitcoin. That's what I expect, at least. As long as we don't see that large impulse wave to the outside of this consolidation channel that we're in with Bitcoin, above 72,000 or below 52,000, 53,000, around that area. But I will say, if that does happen, we break out to the upside, it will just be a matter of time before we do see a lot of that liquidity move back into stacks. So stacks right now is trading at a $2.6 billion market cap. I am a bull here, guys. I think that stacks could easily be a $5 to $10 billion market cap. I think that's an appropriate level to be looking at. A $15 stacks is conservative, in my opinion, especially because it's the first layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. It's actually being able to build on Bitcoin. It's very, very cool. I really like to see that. And we look at the chart here. Let's do some brief TA on stacks right now. I mean, guys, when you zoom out here, looking at the daily on Market Cipher, yeah, all the altcoins look like this. All the altcoins look like this right now. You saw that big sweep recently below this support, liquidating, stopping people out, but really playing pretty nicely with this $1.26 level. When we look at higher term time frames, you kind of give a better picture of where we're at here. I mean, we're looking pretty good. I'm not going to lie. It's holding up relatively well considering these 7 months of sideways chop that's been absolutely decimating altcoins. It's holding up relatively well. How far are we down? Let's measure on the weekly here. I'm very curious to see from the top here. We are down. We wicked all the way down about 71%, which is pretty brutal. But right now we're trading at about 60% from $2.42. But we did reach higher than that. I don't know why it's showing that. We reached about $3.79. It's saying. I think $3.70 is I've seen on some exchanges. It might give or take about 10 cents depending on where you look. But pretty big drawdown. Not going to lie, but. It's crazy when you say, oh, it's drawn down 76%, but it's holding up relatively well. I mean, when you compare it to some of these meme coins that are down, like you look at the stacks meme coins, some of these are down 99% from when Bitcoin was over 72,000 before we started going into this brutal, elongated sideways chop. It's 75% ain't that bad when you're comparing it to 99.9% or 99.8%, you know. People don't really grasp that. They can't wrap their minds around that idea, because after a coin drops, say 75%, it can drop another 75%. But people don't understand that. But it can do that. So 99% is exponentially worse than, say, 95%. It's exponentially worse. You just have to keep that in mind. So, yeah, like I said, in Bitcoin right now, guys, we've been chopping around sideways for 7 months. Absolutely insane. I do think that We're going to probably be making a decision here sooner rather than later, but right now we are in the epitome of indecision. If you've watched any of my recent videos on the Crypto Report, I've been saying, guys, this is the epitome of indecision, sideways in the middle of this channel, of this broadening wedge. Bitcoin needs a big decision. I want to see Bitcoin close above $60,000 on the weekly, which is closing in 7 hours and 14 minutes. It's not too far away, guys. It's not too far away. We'd like to see that, maybe see the beginning of a move to the upside here. Otherwise, I will say that I expect a move down to the bottom of this channel to say maybe 49,000. I think 49,000 is a appropriate price level to be looking at when we're looking at this broadening wedge formation right here. But keep in mind, if that does happen and we hold above it, we're probably going to be heading back to the top of this channel and probably breaking out. That would be an appropriate, that would follow my thesis on my timeline of a breakout to the upside around October, November, December. August tends to be a sideways bearish month. A lot of the big money steps away for vacation. It's before their kids go back to school. And then September is usually a bearish month as well, but August is usually a quiet bearish month, and September is kind of when the capitulation tends to happen. But I'm expecting some strange price action in September, and I am expecting a lot of it to be resolved by the end of this year. So there's some hopium for you guys. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Are you holding any stacks memes right now? I'm very curious. Are you surviving? You got to take profits along the way, guys, when you're talking about liquid meme coins, especially meme coins underneath $10 million market cap. Some of those meme coins on stacks is underneath $1 million. Absolutely crazy. But you guys, if you want to check out some awesome referral links we have down below, we have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin, a $4,100 sign-in bonus to Femex. All you got to do is click those links, deposit some crypto, trade a little bit, and you get a bunch of free money. There's some awesome discounts on fees if you use our referral links as well. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am a Stacks bull. Very curious to see if we can break above that $15 price level on Stacks. Let me know in the comment section. Do you guys think that's possible? You think we can get over a $15 billion market cap on Stacks? I think it's possible. But I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.